Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which country's leader, Ismail Omar Guelleh, secured a sixth consecutive presidential term in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Djibouti. In April 2026, which ministry conducted the nationwide Nari Shakti Yuva Sansad through the Meri Yuva Bharat platform? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which Indian state was officially declared Naxal free after the surrender of 42 Naxalites? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. In April 2026, where did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurate the third edition of the Sansad Khel Mahakumbh? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow. The second edition of the Rugby Premier League 2026 was scheduled to be held in which city? Right answer is option B, Hyderabad. On which date was World Hemophilia Day 2026 observed? Right answer is option D, 17th April. According to the World Inequality Lab Report 2026, which Indian state recorded the highest land inequality based on the Gini coefficient? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which country successfully tested the short range ballistic missile Vasong 11GA in 2026? Right answer is option D, North Korea. In April 2026, where did the Indian Army launch its first blue water sailing expedition, Samudra Sahas, to commemorate the 200th year of the Regiment of Artillery? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. What is the name of India's first indigenous nuclear missile tracking ship deployed by the Indian Navy in the Arabian Sea in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, INS Dhruv. Which city hosted the Indian Navy's first biennial commanders conference 2026 in April 2026? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Who was elected as the new president of Iraq in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Nizar Ahmedi. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu inaugurated India's first indigenous 1S and 1Q quantum test bed in which city? Correct answer is option A, Amravati. Which state police force launched the AI powered system Narit AI to strengthen anti narcotics operations? Right answer is option B, Gujarat Police. On 13th April 2026, the Indian Army celebrated which edition of Siachen Day, marking the success of Operation Meghdoot? Correct answer is option C, 42nd. In April 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Delhi Dehradun Economic Corridor, having a total length of how many kilometers? Right answer is option C, 213 kilometers. Which organization collaborated with CDAC Hyderabad to launch the Cybersecurity Awareness Program eSafe Her for rural India? Right answer is option B, Reliance Foundation. Which scheme's second phase, launched with an initial corpus of rupees 10,000 crore, was approved by the central government in April 2026 to boost the startup ecosystem? Right answer is option B, Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0. The Trishakti Corps of the Indian Army inaugurated the first community radio station in a border village of Sikkim under what name? Right answer is option C, Sikkim Sundari. Ambedkar Jayanti 2026 was observed across India on which date? Right answer is option A, 14th April. In April 2026, in which city were the US Iran mediated peace talks held to establish a ceasefire in West Asia? Right answer is option A, Islamabad, Pakistan. Where did the Indian Army conduct the major live firing exercise Brahmastra in April 2026? Correct answer is option B, Pokhran, Rajasthan. Who was appointed as India's new ambassador to Belgium and the European Union in 2026? Right answer is option C, Pranay Verma. Which university secured first place in the Association of Indian Universities National Moot Court Competition 2026 held at Integral University, Lucknow? Correct answer is option B, Banaras Hindu University. Which Indian forest guard was honored with the Machli National Award conferred by the World Wildlife Fund for Nature? Correct answer is option A, Anita Chaudhary. Under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme, how many railway stations across India have been identified for rejuvenation and modernization? Correct answer is option B, 1338. Which Indian female cricketer has been honored by having the pink stand at the Omex State Cricket Stadium in Dwarka, Delhi, named after her? Correct answer is option C, Harmanpreet Kaur. In March 2026, where did the Indian Navy successfully conduct the IONS maritime exercise? Right answer is option A, Kochi, Kerala. Which Indian Paralympic athlete secured one gold medal and two silver medals at the Spanish Para Badminton International 2026? Right answer is option C, Pramod Bhagat. Which state owned company commenced gas monetization from its Daman Upside Development Project located in the Arabian Sea? Right answer is option C, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Which state's legislative assembly passed the platform based Gig Workers Bill 2026 to safeguard the interests of gig workers? Right answer is option D, Telangana. Who became the first Indian international cricketer to join Major League Cricket in the United States? Right answer is option C, Ravichandran Ashwin. In March 2026, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar participated in the G7 Foreign Ministers meeting held in which country? Right answer is option A, France. Which country became the first Southeast Asian nation to prohibit social media usage for children below the age of 16? Right answer is option B, Indonesia. After a gap of nearly a decade, a healthy chick of the endangered Great Indian Bustard was born using Jumpstart technology at which location in March 2026? Right answer is option B, Kutch, Gujarat. Which organization launched two satellites under its Celeste mission to test low Earth orbit navigation technology? Right answer is option D, ESA, European Space Agency. Who has been selected as India's first citizen to be enumerated in the country's 16th census, which will also be India's first digital census? Right answer is option C, President of India Draupadi Murmu. At which location did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate Keynes Semicon's outsourced semiconductor assembly and test facility? Right answer is option C, Sanand, Gujarat. Which shipbuilding company delivered the three indigenous naval vessels INS Dunagiri, INS Agrai, and INS Sanshodhak to the Indian Navy on the same day? Right answer is option D, Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, Kolkata. The first World Buddhist Peace Conference 2026 was scheduled to be held from March 27th to 29th, 2026 in which city? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad, Telangana. India conducted the tri-service exercise Dweep Shakti to strengthen maritime and amphibious capabilities in which region? Right answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who is the author of the book Sheher Mein Gaon, Culture, Conflict and Change in Urban Villages of Delhi, published by Penguin India? Right answer is option B, Dr. Ekta Chauhan. Which state launched MLATrack.com, India's first public digital database platform designed to track the legislative work and interventions of MLAs? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. In March 2026, who became the overseas player with the highest number of matches played in the history of the IPL? Correct answer is option D, Sunil Narayan. Until what date did the central government extend subsidies on electric two wheelers under the PM E-Drive scheme? Correct answer is option B, 31st July 2026. Who was honored with the grand prize for contribution to world peace at the International Buddhist Conference? Right answer is option B, Jupalli Krishna Rao. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Yamaha Music India Private Limited in 2026? Correct answer is option D, A.R. Rahman. To which eminent Indian literature has the Sahitya Academy conferred its highest honor, the Sahitya Academy Fellowship? Right answer is option B, Pratibha Rai. Who won his first Formula One race at the Chinese Grand Prix at the age of 19? Right answer is option D, Kimi Antonell. Who authored the book Tides of Time Bharat's History Through Murals in Parliament? Right answer is option A, Sudha Murthy. Scientists recently discovered a new species of night frog named Nyctibatricus kali in the Kali Tiger Reserve. In which state is this reserve located? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which masterpiece painted by Raja Ravi Verma became the most expensive Indian painting ever, sold after fetching rupees 167.20 crore at auction? Right answer is option C, Yashoda and Krishna. Which country launched a free mobile application called ICP to help citizens identify venomous snakes? Right answer is option D, Costa Rica. The central government has made the supply of E20 fuel mandatory at petrol pumps from April 1st, 2026. What does E20 fuel consist of? Right answer is option C, 20% ethanol plus 80% petrol. Which educational body was granted the status of a deemed university by the Ministry of Education in April 2026? Right answer is option B, NCERT. Who was appointed as the chairman and managing director of Power Grid Corporation of India Limited in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Burra Vamsi Ramamohan. Which state government partnered with Starlink India to provide high speed internet connectivity to remote areas of the state? Right answer is option C, Meghalaya. Where has the foundation stone for India's first driverless pod taxi project been laid? Right answer is option A, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which mission has ISRO launched to ensure the safety of astronauts for its human spaceflight mission Gaganyaan? Right answer is option C, Mission Mitra. India achieved a record level of defense exports during financial year 2025-26. What was the total value of these exports? Right answer is option D, rupees 38,424 crore. The central government has extended the deadline of the PM Kusum scheme till March 31st, 2027. In which year was this scheme originally launched? Right answer is option C, 2019. Which vessel became the first in the series of 11 next generation offshore patrol vessels of the Indian Navy to be launched at Goa Shipyard Limited? Right answer is option A, INS Shachi. Who became the first fast bowler in IPL history to take 200 wickets? Right answer is option C, Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Which bill was passed in the Lok Sabha in April 2026 with the objective of decriminalizing minor offences and promoting ease of doing business? Right answer is option B, Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill 2026. Which institution mandated the new financial reporting framework based on Indian accounting standards for the insurance sector with effect from April 1st, 2026? Right answer is option A, IRDAI. Which bank secured the top position among Indian banks in the S&P Global Corporate Sustainability Assessment 2025 with a score of 79 out of 100? Right answer is option C, Yes Bank. The famous Madhavpur Ghed Mela, organized every year to commemorate the wedding of Lord Krishna and Rukmini, is celebrated in which place? Right answer is option D, Porbandar, Gujarat. Which scheme was launched by the central government under the financial year 2026-27 to address the infrastructural and financial challenges faced by the nine hill states? Right answer is option B, Pride of Hills. Which dengue vaccine developed by Japanese pharmaceutical company Takeda received approval from India's Drugs Controller General for use in India? Right answer is option B, Qdenga. Who was elected as the new president of Myanmar by the country's parliament in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Min Aung Hlaing. Where was the Tri Services Seminar Run Samvad organized on April 9th to 10th, 2026? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Which state government launched the rural health campaign माझे गाव Arogya Sampan Gav to address gaps in healthcare services? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the first woman municipal commissioner of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation? Correct answer is option B, Ashwini Bhide. The Lakpati Bitiya Yojana has been launched by which government? Correct answer is option B, Delhi government. Which country won the SAF Under 20 Championship 2026 title? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which Indian woman diplomat was re elected to the United Nations Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights for a 3-year term in April 2026? Correct answer is option B, Preeti Saran. According to the IMF's latest estimates released in April 2026, what is India's rank among the world's largest economies? Right answer is option C, sixth rank. Who has become the youngest Indian player to complete 4,000 runs in the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Shubman Gill. Which spacecraft has NASA selected for splashdown in the Pacific Ocean as part of the Artemis 2 mission in April 2026? Correct answer is option A, Orion. In which city did US President Donald Trump unveil plans for a proposed massive gold clad triumphal arch called Arc de Trump in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Washington, D.C. Which Indian company appointed tennis star Carlos Alcaraz as its global brand ambassador in 2026? Right answer is option A, Infosys. Which institution unveiled its new medium term strategy titled Utkarsh 2029 in April 2026? Right answer is option D, Reserve Bank of India. Which city in the United States became the first to install a life size bronze statue of Swami Vivekananda in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Seattle. Who won the ICC Men's Player of the Month award for March 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sanju Samson. Which state team won the title of the 16th Hockey India Sub Junior Men's National Championship 2026? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. In April 2026, in which country did Khanij Bidesh India Limited receive environmental clearance for the exploration of 5 lithium blocks? Right answer is option D, Argentina. Under the agreement between HAL and GE Aerospace, the HAL-GE F414 jet engine will primarily power which Indian fighter aircraft? Right answer is option C, Tejas Mk2. Who became the first cricketer in the world to take 9 wickets in a single T20 international match? Right answer is option A, Laura Cardoso. Who has been appointed by Israel as the new chief of its foreign intelligence agency, Mossad? Right answer is option C, Roman Goffman. Which chess player won the FIDE Women's Candidates Tournament 2026 in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Who successfully developed Asia's first 3D printed Mars radiation shielding armor designed for habitation on Mars? Right answer is option D, Arca Space Studio. In April 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inspected Asia's longest 12-kilometer elevated wildlife corridor. This corridor passes through which national park or tiger reserve? Right answer is option B, Rajaji National Park. Which Indians were included in Time magazine's list of the world's 100 most influential people for 2026? Right answer is option D, all of the above: Sundar Pichai, Ranbir Kapoor, and Vikas Khanna. In April 2026, in which language did India's Vice President CP Radhakrishnan launch the latest edition of the Constitution of India? Correct answer is option B, Sindhi. Which city is home to India's first regional passport office to introduce Braille and Sign Language services? Correct answer is option C, Bhopal. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Sri Guru Bhairavaikya Mandir in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, Mandya, Karnataka. Who became the new brand ambassador of the sportswear brand 18 in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Smriti Mandana. The ANRF developed the Saral AI platform to simplify complex research papers in collaboration with which institution? Right answer is option C, IIT Hyderabad. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's first 3D technology based Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Immersive Multidimensional Museum in which city? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. On which date was World Heritage Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option D, 18th April. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.